SaleMove's vision is to meet or exceed the in-person customer experience online. So we want to make it so that when you walk onto a website, it should be just like you walked into a branch or a physical location. Now, let me show you what that looks like in the digital realm. So I'm a potential client, and I've just come on to the Module Bank site, and I'm browsing around. I'm on the homepage here. And I'm looking to upgrade my insurance policy. Now, note that this is relevant for insurance, mortgages, general banking, financial advisory, but we're going to stick to an insurance use case today. So I'm on the Module Bank site, and I see this Live Advisor tab over here on the left-hand side. Now, when I hover over, I can see Bali here, and she's available for video, voice, phone, and chat. And I'm not quite ready to reach out to Bali yet, so I'm going to go ahead and start the enrollment process on my own. So I'm going to click on the enrollment form over here. I'm going to go and hit insurance. I'm going to start filling this out. And oh, that's actually interesting. It says an insurance specialist from New York is available for me. So that's actually something I am interested in. I do have no idea how to fill out this form. So I'm going to go ahead and see that now it's another person. Now it's Justin. And I'm going to go ahead and click on him. I can see the options that he's available to communicate with me. And I'm going to start this engagement with chat first. So as I reach out, I see Justin here on the left-hand side, and that's interesting. Oh, he says, welcome to Module Bank. Can I guide you through the insurance enrollment process? Yeah, that sounds great. Again, I could definitely use some guidance. I'm going to say sounds good. Now, Justin has offered me to co-browse, and it says here that we will both be able to browse the site together, but that this will only apply to this particular site and not to the whole desktop, not to my computer. So that's good. I'm going to allow that. And just like that, I didn't have to download anything, no installations, no crazy plugins. Justin has come in with his own cursor and is helping me fill this form out. We can dynamically work through this together. I'm going to go to this financial health. I'm not really sure what that means. Oh, he says, would you mind if we spoke? I'll be able to explain that better. Yes, I can see that would be much better than typing my questions over, so I'm going to go ahead and say, perfect. Now Justin has offered me to video chat, so I'm going to go ahead and click that, allow my camera. Hey Justin, how's it going?
Hey, welcome to Module Bank. Can I help you purchase some insurance?
That would be fantastic. I am absolutely clueless right now, so please guide me through. So we took a standard chat, right? We started with a text-based interaction. We upgraded it to co-browsing. We layered in this dual cursor experience, and then right away into a video conversation without downloading, installing anything, a native part of your website. So let's say that I'm in my house. I'm in my PJs. I don't really want to be on camera. That's totally fine. I can shut off my camera, just be on audio while Justin is on video. I can also shut off my voice. Let's say I'm at the office, I have my headset in, I want to hear and see Justin, but I can't necessarily talk, so I'm going to shut that off. So any combination is possible. Now, let me go ahead and end this engagement here. So that's SaleMove on the visitor side. I'm going to show you something brand new today. So I'm going to go return to the enrollment form. Now, what if every client call that came into your business today could have the same high-touch engagement that you just watched? Well, today, I'm happy to unveil our newest feature, OmniCall. Now, OmniCall we're showcasing that for the very first time here at Finovate, and we're very excited to show you how that works. So, our vision with OmniCall is to bring the same seamless SaleMove interaction to the most common way in which visitors reach out to you today, the phone call. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the enrollment form here, and now I see that I see the tab over here, but I'm not gonna go and reach out to Justin in this way. I'm gonna decide to go old school, and I'm gonna dial the number up here, 732-266-3854, and I'm gonna call that. Yeah. Hello? Hey, Justin. Can we co-browse? So as you can see, this works through a unique number that pairs my browsing session to Justin. So I can immediately just call this number, and he can push over a co-browsing session just like that. Again, it works through a unique number that pairs my browsing session with Justin. Now, this is wonderful because it allows you to pre-authenticate the visitor. Justin knows exactly where I am. He can start co-browsing with me right away, and it saves time, it saves cost, and then, of course, it drastically enhances the customer experience. So that's OmniCall. Now let me go ahead and hop over to the operator side, because I want to show you what this looks like for your business. So I'm going to log in with my credentials here. Now this is SaleMove on the business side, on the banking side. So I can see all the visitors that are on my site at that moment, and it's just like stepping behind a counter. I have full visibility, and I can see visitor number 30, 45. These are the 30th person to come to my site today, the 44th, etc. And oh, I see my client, Steven Silverman, is actually giving me a call, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. And so I can see right away where Steven is in this area. I can push over the co-browsing just by clicking in there. And I can also push the video, because I know it's Steven, over like this. And as soon as he accepts, I can allow my camera. And hey, Steven, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Steven looks a lot like Justin. So we're now back in the conversation with Steven, and I can end this just by clicking up here, or I can transfer it over to another operator that's specifically relevant to his question. But I'm going to go ahead and end it. And SaleMove is a robust platform. I mean, we have all the enterprise bells and whistles that you'd expect. We have a number of very large customers. We have statistics where you can see all of the interactions and engagements.